Tiantai, Zhejiang, a fresh land but with long history, which is the birthplace of Buddhism Tiantai Zong. Zhejiang Lionheart Industrial Equipment Company Limited stands out like one shining spoon adrift in the stormy sea of fierce competition. Like an ambitious eagle, sailing and soaring against the vast sky, it will stand steadfast in the fierce competition and embrace a bright future. Located in the southeast of Zhejiang Province, Zhejiang Lionheart Industrial Equipment Company Limited is 300 kilometers south of Shanghai, the largest port city in China, 100 kilometers west of Ningbo, an important international port, and at most 1 to 2 hours drive to the 5 airports nearby at Hangzhou, Yiwu, Taizhou, Wenzhou. Therefore, with its convenient transportation, Lionheart Equipment sincerely welcomes guests and friends from far and near. Zhejiang Lionheart Industrial Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D, production, and marketing of environmental mechanical equipments. The LZ series equipment of rubber powder from waste tires at ambient temperature developed, which takes the lead in China and achieves international advanced level in terms of its economic and technical norms. The company has established long-term cooperations in science and technology with several university institutions, which powerfully supports and ensures the R&D and innovation of technology. Advanced technology produces excellent equipment. For example, the BP system control equipment of rubber powder from waste radial tire, the technological achievement of which has won the second prize of the National Prize for the Promotion of Science and Technology of 2011. With its outstanding quality and superior performance, the products are exported to many countries, including Russia and Germany, and enjoy global popularity in the global industry. With the booming of the automobile industry, black pollution of the waste tires is now posing a serious threat to the human living environment and a big headache for the environmental protection. Traditional treatments such as oil refining, landfill, and incineration lead to environmental pollutions, which are even more than the white pollution. At present, the conventional methods for recycling waste tires include remanufacturing, renovation, heat utilization, reclaimed rubber, and pyrolysis. However, for their drawbacks such as high operation cost and secondary environmental pollution, these methods cannot be actually practiced in good business operation. Therefore, rubber powder from waste tires becomes the main recycling approach in the industry. Rubber powder production at normal temperature, representing the most advanced technology direction at the international level, is also the most economic and environmental treatment method for waste tires. Faced to global environmental issues, the deep-thinking Lionheart people with acute market sense are taking advantage of the business opportunity of waste tires recycle. Based on full utilization of the current technology, they have made millions of R&D investment and developed the LZ series equipment of rubber powder from waste tires at ambient temperature, which is advanced and owned by 8 independent innovation patented technologies. The whole set of equipment consisting of major parts including tire cutter, tire wire extractor, tire crusher, rubber coarse crusher, rubber fine crusher, and rubber grinder, has realized the automatic production from whole tire to rubber powder with the support of the conveyor and air separator. The main production process includes tire bead cutting, thick tire wire drawing, whole tire crushing, coarse and fine crushing, rubber grinder, By means of the supporting equipment, the thin tire wire and fiber is effectively separated in the production process. And finally, generates high-purity rubber powder of 40 to 120 mesh. Technical innovations of LV series equipment of rubber powder from waste tires at ambient temperature. 1. Low carbon and energy saving. Take making 40 mesh rubber powder for example. Only 337 kilowatt hours is consumed for the treatment of 1 ton waste tires, while the metal content and fiber dust content are less than 0.01% and 0.04% respectively, which takes the lead compared to opponents in the same field, both at home and abroad. 2. Blades, the key to tire crushing. Upon years of R&D efforts, significant progress has been improved. The average service life for the blades has reached 1,200 to 1,500 hours, with all the comprehensive performances equaling or surpassing those of the international counterparts. 3. Facilitated by the automatic self-leaning control system with human-friendly interface. The equipment adopts the BP Adaptive Neutral Network Control technology, with a view of keeping precise control of material balance and ensuring the best working condition of the whole equipment and the whole process. The real-time monitoring equipment and the well-established expert fault handling procedure ensures the safety and stability of the equipment in the operation. 4. The productivity is enormously improved. With the implementation of BP Neutral Network Control System, the equipment has realized the whole process control treatment procedure of waste tires, greatly advancing the productivity. For example, only 4 workers are needed for every 10,000 ton capacity production line. Compare with the similar treatment, we save at least 30% less labor input. 5. Adoption of new technology. For example, the innovative techniques such as the spiraled cutting, tangential barrier material, and coating-like curve cutting have made it possible to crush whole tire into 50 by 50 millimeter rubber blocks, further crushed into 10 by 10 millimeter rubber particles, and powder particles of more than 5 meshes. Thus, the new technology can guarantee a more stable and reliable production quality. 6. Top quality products. The innovative negative pressure levitation technique and the eddy differential pressure enhancement technique can separate and collect fine fibers, dust, and rubber powder with more accuracy, thus greatly improving the purity of rubber powder. 7. Smaller area needed. Because of modular compact design, a complete set of equipment recycling tires only takes 60% of area of production lines of the same scale. 8. Green and environmental friendly. There is no pollution out during the processing as the tire wire, fiber, and rubber powder from the waste tire are fully reused without waste. What's more, in the production process, the materials are under enclosed or negative pressure conditions, where no dust is out and the dust content in the air is less than 20 milligrams per cubic meter, the average noisy level less than 85 decibels. Market prospects for the equipment of LZ series equipment of rubber powder from waste tires at ambient temperature. Regarding to the rubber powder application, it has long history. It has been widely used in the field of rail system, architectural industry and public projects such as the railroad ties, quake-proof cushion, sound insulation screen, new waterproof paint and tire manufacturer. Especially in the expressway construction, mixing asphalt with rubber powder can reduce the cost and improve the service life of the road as well. In fact, it has been stipulated in laws of some developed countries that rubber powder modified asphalt shall be used in the construction of expressway. Rubber powder is now universally acknowledged as the black gold in the industry, with rubber powder being the new product of rubber resource recycling. The Lionheart equipment of LZ series equipment of rubber powder from waste tires at ambient temperature, which is the trend for global resource development and recycle, represents the most advanced, energy-saving, and environmental treatment method of waste tire at present. It is no longer a fantasy to turn black waste into dark gold. With the sense of responsibility and mission of the entrepreneurship, Lionheart Company is committed to its ideals and faith, as is quoted from an ancient Chinese poem, heading to the sea in full sail, braving the wind and the waves. An emerging and growing Lionheart Company is opening heart with ambition to welcome business partners at home and abroad. We look forward to joining hands with you in business and the pursuit of a bright future together.